Why do record snowfalls always seem to happen on weekends? The Great Lakes region is in for a doozy. More than 4 million people across 5 states are under winter storm alerts today. We're talking New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan, and Wisconsin. Western New York alone has seen over 40 inches since Thursday, with another 24 inches expected by Monday. Governor Kathy Hochul has declared emergencies in 11 counties, including Buffalo. Barnes Corner in Lewis County has hit 45 inches. The Buffalo Bills are even calling for shovelers to clear Highmark Stadium before tonight's game against the 49 ERs. National Guard troops have been deployed to rescue stranded motorists. And Gaylord, Michigan, broke its single-day snowfall record with almost 25 inches. If you love weather updates, don't miss out. Please like and subscribe.